everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I didn't film an official introduction for my vlog here because I had an interview that day early morning and I just wanted to focus on that, and which is why I just didn't film that morning and wasn't able to do an introduction. I was a little nervous with my interview and everything, but it went well. And over here, right now, this is after my interview, so I was just getting started with my day, and I was making my to-do list, and I would just started to reply to emails and get some work done. guys, right now I'm working on part of like developing my dissertation idea, I guess, aims. I'm probably gonna focus on ACEs, which, if you guys don't know, ACEs is adverse childhood experience, and I'm sure it will be one of the big parts of my dissertation, because I'm interested in both because I'm interested in both mental and sexual health, and kind of like the interaction of those two together. So yeah, so that's what I'm working on. It's currently 5:22 p.m. We are going to go get groceries right now, in a little bit, and yeah, that's the plan for now. Sit. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Casper, speak. 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 Are you tired? Are you tired? Speak. Casper, speak. Speak. No, not paw. Speak. Speak. Yes, me. Hey, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Speak. Hi guys, at a Walmart parking lot right now. My husband is just getting some quick groceries and we will be on our way for dinner. Today has been a really weird day. I didn't really film my morning that much. I had an interview this morning which went really well, and it was kind of like an informal interview. My main interview was done, and I got the job offer. I just don't know how to, like, whenever like something like this happens that makes me like super happy or something that makes me like super sad, I don't know like what to do with those feelings, and sometimes it's hard for me to like go straight to work from that, hard to focus and stuff. So I like got some emails done, I cooked, I didn't really eat breakfast. I had a coffee, but not really. I was just really excited about that, and you guys already saw that I worked on my a little bit, kind of like not my dissertation, but like developing my dissertation, whatever that will be. But right now we went to IKEA, and unfortunately everything that we like was out of stock temporarily, but I'm gonna see if I can find certain things online. They said that that certain things are available online, so hopefully I can. It's always good to see, at least for me, it's always good to see what's like in person, what I want, rather than online, especially with furnitures and stuff. So yeah, that was nice. And we ran some errands, and yeah, it was a really good Tuesday, especially with the job offer. But other than that, yeah, I just didn't quite film everything. My whole day, I didn't film an intro and all of that, so I apologize about that. But other than that, it was a great day, and yeah, I'm just looking forward for dinner, and I'll catch you guys. If I don't do an outro and end to this vlog, this might as well be. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like my video. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see. I know, I've mostly given vlogs and stuff, but if you want to see anything else, let me know. I also plan on to do more mental health videos as well. But yeah, all right, I'll see you guys later.